Hey guys, we're going to try this read aloud video, and I'm going to upload it to our Google Classroom. So let's see how this goes. First of all, we're going to look at the title of the book that says Fly Guy Presents Dinosaurs. Typically, Fly Guy is a fiction book. This book is actually nonfiction with a little bit of fiction in it because it's going to be teaching you facts. So we start here. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. There's Fly Guy and Buzz. But what's funny is I don't know if Fly Guy's really saying his name because that's really what flies say. It's just kind of a coincidence. That means when things happen that really weren't meant to happen. Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Natural History Museum. Do you see this? This is how they pronounce museum. This museum has lots of cool stuff, said Buzz. There are dinosaur bones here. Bones. Notice that Buzz here has a notebook, so he's going to take some notes when he goes to the museum. Fly Guy was excited. They went inside to learn about dinosaurs. And this says Natural History Museum, Dinosaur Alive Exhibition, and Dinosaurs Alive. So we could pretty much figure out that he's going to learn about dinosaurs. This is a picture of the globe, or what it used to look like. Here, the caption says Pangea. It says dinosaurs walked the earth about 250 million years ago during the Mesozoic era. Back then, all the land on earth was pushed together. This land mass was called Pangea. My house. And here, the caption under the map says the 7 continents today. If you can compare the map here to the map here, you're going to see that they're really different. So millions of years ago, billions of years ago, this is how Earth looked. This is how Earth looks today. A lot of changes have happened. It says dinosaurs lived all across Pangea. Over millions of years, the land drifted apart to form 7 continents. We've learned that already, that we had 7 continents, and there's a song on your Google Classroom to help you. Our first picture says Triceratops and a Brachiosaurus. Humans did not live when dinosaurs were alive, but flies did. Scientists have discovered 700 kinds of dinosaurs. Not all dinosaurs lived at the same time. And this makes it funny, a Flyosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus. You guys might recognize these dinosaurs. For example, a Tyrannosaurus Rex and a Stegosaurus never met because they lived in different times. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Reptiles are covered in scales. These are called close-ups. See how it is showing you a close-up of what scales might look like? This is a text feature. Other reptiles include crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. So these animals are related to dinosaurs. A lizard and a turtle. Dinosaurs are also closely related to birds, which is so crazy. That's because of how their leg bones join to their hips. So this is a bird skeleton and a dinosaur skeleton. You can compare and see how they are the same. All dinosaurs had scales, but some even had feathers like birds. Here's a feathered dinosaur. Oh, there's Buzz again. Or Fly Guy and Buzz's finger. This is a dinosaur egg fossil. That means over years it has turned into a rock. Hadrosaur eggs. A dinosaur nest. Baby dinosaurs hatched from eggs. Some eggs were big as footballs. Can you picture that in your head? That's huge. Others were small. Most dinosaurs were egged in nests on the ground. This is a crusted duck-billed dinosaur nest. Wow. Look at he's holding. Buzz is holding a football and a dinosaur egg, and they're the same size. That's an Allosaurus and his teeth. Can you guess if an Allosaurus was a meat eater or carnivore? Or was it a herbivore or plant eater? Put a comment below. Some dinosaurs, such as Allosaurus, ate other dinosaurs and animals. They were carnivores. So if you typed carnivores, you were right. Carnivores had sharp teeth for hunting and chewing meat. Other dinosaurs, like Iguanodon, ate only plants. They were herbivores. Herbivores had flat teeth for chewing leaves, like cows do today. That's an Iguanodon. Look, Buzz is writing his notes in his notebook, like I've taught you to write notes in your notebook after you learn new information. Tyrannosaurus Rex was a carnivore. The T-Rex had sharp teeth and claws, and it could run fast and had a good sense of smell. Look at that foot. That's bigger than your foot. T-Rex was all about 40 feet long. That's as long as a school bus. T-Rex was a great hunter. That's why T-Rex was called King of the Dinosaurs. A Velociraptor chasing prey. Prey is an animal that another animal eats. Many dinosaurs, including T-Rex, were predators. They hunted other dinosaurs or animals called prey. Dinosaurs had weapons to scare off predators or to hunt prey. Many predators, like the Velociraptor, had sharp teeth and claws. They used those claws to cut and catch their prey. Stegosaurus was an herbivore. It had large, spiked tail to help keep the predators away. So it used this tail to hit the predators, and it would hurt. And look there, Buzz is saying, my body is my weapon. Kind of like karate there. Dinosaurs survived on Earth for a long time. So were they super smart? They were good hunters and defenders, but mostly dinosaurs were no smarter than cats or dogs. Scientists believe that most dinosaurs had small brains. A Stegosaurus, see this giant dinosaur right here? Had a brain the size of a walnut. Here's a little close-up showing you what a walnut's actual size is. Our brain is so much bigger than that. So I'd say it was probably not smart. It just learned how to survive. Many reptiles lived in the Mesozoic area were not dinosaurs. Dinosaurs only lived on land. A Petrosaurus were flying reptiles. A pterodactyl is a type of petrosaur. So pterodactyls and a pterodactyl landing. A plesiosaurus lived in the water during the time of the dinosaurs. It looks like he's a hunter. He's a carnivore eating a fish. Petrosaurus and pleiadiosauruses were not dinosaurs. Whoa, that's a huge meteor. I guess Buzz is in outer space now. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for 165 million years. But about 65 million years ago, they all died out or became extinct. Tell me in a comment, what does the word extinct mean? you can stop, pause the video, and look at the page. Scientists don't know why. Oh, there's a volcano ash cloud. We talked about volcanoes and the kinds of rocks that come out of volcanoes. Pause the video and comment and tell me, what kind of rocks did we study that came out of volcanoes? Spelling doesn't count. Do your best. Some think a giant meteor hit Earth. Others think an ash cloud from a volcano explosion blocked the sun, leaving the dinosaurs with nothing to eat. There's a human foot next to a dinosaur footprint. Woo, I would not want to come in contact with them. Fossilized dinosaur poop is called carapolite. Can you imagine? Ooh, I've got dinosaur poop. Fossils are the remains of something that lived long ago. Sometimes we find fossils in sedimentary rocks. There's a pterodactyl fossil, a Velociraptor skull, a Stegosaurus skeleton. They can be in rocks that formed over many years. Other fossils include dinosaur bones. Scientists have learned a lot about dinosaurs by uncovering fossils. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the history of life on Earth. Paleontologists go on special trips called digs to look for dinosaur bones. When they find bones, they rebuild the skeleton. Each bone is dug up, then it is cleaned. Next, the scientists put the bones together like a very hard puzzle. Paleontologists building dinosaur skeletons, so they have to make a puzzle because they got to figure out which bone goes where. Putting a dinosaur skeleton together is tricky. It's not like you have a map like Fly Guy is showing. This is a Barosaurus. Paleontologists sometimes make mistakes. A paleontologist put the wrong skull on an Apatosaurus skeleton. He thought it was a new kind of dinosaur and called it a Brontosaurus by mistake. In 1887, another paleontologist found a skull in Wyoming. He thought it belonged to an extinct, which remember means no longer on the planet, bison, which is this animal here. Later, he learned it belonged to the Triceratops. So some animals have similar features. Back home, Buzz built a skeleton. Dinosaurs are welcome, he said. I can't wait to go on another trip. Here are some other books that are like this, that are non-fiction with Fly Guy, in case you want to check them out. Some of these you can check out online through your local library. Has online checkout. Fly Guy presents sharks. Fly Guy presents space. Fly Guy presents dinosaurs. That's the one we just read. I hope you all enjoyed your reading. Make sure to comment below the video. Bye!